Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can add schema markup in Webflow, so let's get started. Adding schema markup helps search engines understand your page content better, which can improve SEO and rich results. In Webflow, you can add schema markup to any page, including collection pages. First, open your site in Webflow and go to the Pages panel from the left toolbar. Find the page you want to add schema to, hover over it, and click the Settings icon. Scroll down to the Schema Markup section. Here, you can either generate schema automatically using Webflow AI or add your own custom markup manually in the field. Once you're done, click Save. Finally, publish your site to make the schema live on your custom domain or Webflow staging domain. Whether you used Webflow AI or added your own code, it's a good idea to check your markup with a free tool like Schema Markup Validator to ensure there are no errors. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.